Integrating Monday.com Create Board is a straightforward process that allows you to streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration with your team. To get started, you need to have a Monday.com account and a clear idea of what you want to achieve with your board. First, log into your Monday.com account and click on the Create button to start building your board. Choose a template that suits your needs or start from scratch. Monday.com offers a wide range of templates for various use cases such as project management, marketing, sales, and more. Next, give your board a name and add a description to provide context for your team. This will help them understand the purpose of the board and how to use it. You can also add a thumbnail image to make your board more visually appealing. Now it is time to add columns to your board. Columns are used to track different types of information such as tasks, deadlines, assignees, and more. You can choose from a variety of column types including text, date, numbers, and more. Add as many columns as you need to track the information that is relevant to your workflow. After setting up your columns, you can start adding items to your board. Items represent individual tasks or projects and can be customized with different columns. You can also add sub-items to break down larger tasks into smaller ones. To take your board to the next level, you can add automations and integrations. Automations allow you to automate repetitive tasks such as sending notifications or assigning tasks. Integrations enable you to connect your board with other tools and apps you use. Best practices for creating a board include keeping it simple and focused on a specific workflow. Use clear and concise language when naming your board. Columns and items also make sure to set up permissions to control who can view and edit your board. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a powerful and effective board that streamlines your workflow and enhances collaboration with your team. Remember to regularly review and update your board to ensure it continues to meet your evolving needs.